Hey, this is Shelly, and we are going to do a review on this new shower install. I have the instructions. I will let you know and be honest if I think they are good or if they suck. And I'll let you know, we're going to see if this is a good one or it's a bad one. From what I've read, I think it's going to be good, but we're going to find out. We're going to look at the head. That's what everybody cares about. And what I like about this one is with this brand, they had two. But with this one, okay, me and my daughter are short, okay? She's 5'2", I'm 5'3". And I'm going to show you step by step how to do it. And then we're going to turn it on, show you how it's working, and if it's doing pretty good or not. Also, it came with one of these. I'm going to do this by myself. The one I have right now I did by myself, so this should be pretty easy. This is the shower. I like never use these, but my daughter does. And here's another head. And then we got some handy dandy little tool. Let's do it. All right, I used some tape on the end of mine. I have a filter that's on the end of my thingy. But this went into here with tape, and then I used my little rag and the screw. Got this good and tight. I got her done. Now, in the beginning, how I had where the head was screwed on, my daughter had screwed it on, was playing around and messed me up. Okay. Now, I ended up then screwing on the head. Then the head goes onto there, okay? And then this right here, just take the plastic piece off, and this then goes into the bigger one, and then the smaller one goes into this hole right here. This here is what will move, see how it moves the head? Depending on how you turn this is what comes out here and here. So if you want it just on shower, okay, see, that's not dripping no more. See, oh yeah, can you see? Just, okay, I just wanted to go this way. I can make it use both or all the way on that one. And then if I wanted to just use this one, you move this. Ah! Boy, that's power. Nice! Okay, I like that too. That's some power coming out of that. And what I think's cool when it comes to this, see, I'm going to use it this way. I think this was cool just because it makes it easier to clean your shower. My daughter uses hair dye. Well, I mean, it washes out, but it's colored. This, it gets all over the shower. And then this head changes all different ways too. There's so much to show you. I even had where my older one was, and this even hooked into my older one. So if you have an older one, you can even hook it into that. And it doesn't need to go, it moves down. Does it need to move towards you too?
No, it's good.
So it's covering your whole body? Yay!